Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will show you how to grease brake pads, where to apply grease, how to clean stuff, because there is a lot of questions about putting grease on the brake pads, and I've seen some people put them on the side of the pad that contacts the roller, and you should never do that, guys, because we will have very minimum stopping power. So stay with us to cover that quick, just informative video. So thank you guys for watching, and let's go ahead and start on it. Alright guys, now those glides right here, ours are greased, they feel really good, but if you live in a climate that you have more snow, dust, dirt, you can just pull them out, okay, all the way out, and you can grease them, clean them and grease them as well. We want ours feel really nicely lubricated now. Okay guys, we have the brake pads now. So now it's important, okay, to see how we're going to apply the grease. Whether you're using ceramic pads or regular parts, it doesn't matter. It's important to grease them right, otherwise they won't perform as good. You might hear squeaking and tapping, so we'll use brake grease. You can buy brake grease in a little package, like that little package, usually like 7 grams. So you can buy a whole big jack of it. That's what we use because we do quite a few brakes. So we get some brake grease, and you need to apply on the back side of the brake pads. Just a very thin layer, guys, okay, like that. That way your brakes will be really quiet. You won't hear any vibration, rattling, okay, on both pads. Now we have two options. You can apply grease on the side of the brake pad, okay, right here a little bit. Never ever apply on the brake pad, okay, on the part that contacts the brake roller, because if you do that, you have no stopping power, guys. Okay, and you can apply those just a little bit, a tiny bit, where the brake pad will be moving. Okay, now we can go ahead, install the brake pad. Okay, this one we'll need to push it up a little bit here, probably with a screwdriver. Okay, you can lift it up a little bit. You can see how it needs to go under those things. Okay, like that. Perfect, we got this one in, guys. The same thing on the other side. Okay, you can see that metal piece that's sticking out, that's the one that contacts the roller when your brake pad is wore out. So it will trigger the light on the dash that will tell you to replace your brake pads. Okay guys, so that's how you grease them. All you have to do, just install the caliper on top of it, and the caliper, okay, will contact okay, right here, so when it vibrates it's not going to be noisy, and it will contact on the brake where it's going to push the brake pad. So that's how you guys grease brake pads. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.